Can you use the income that you're receiving from your Social Security benefits to contribute to a Roth IRA? Well, I can tell you that this is a very unique question that I've been asked over my 24 years as a financial advisor, and we're going to talk about that today in our Tuesday tips, so stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, certified financial planner and president and CEO of the Retirement Education Center, and I want to welcome you once again to our Tuesday tips, where today we are going to be answering the question of, can you use Social Security income to fund a Roth IRA? Now, I know that the rules around putting money into IRAs can be very confusing, and I'm going to always encourage those of you who are tuning in today to always reach out to a competent fiduciary advisor to help you understand all the rules around IRAs. And so we try to do that in our educational videos as well. But I know that we all sleep, and when you wake up, that information could have been forgotten. But we're going to continue to try to make these types of videos. And as always, if this information relates to a question that you have, make sure that you mark it and save it for a future reference so you're not confused later on in your retirement. So let's go ahead and jump into our lesson today and answer the question of, can you use Social Security income to fund a Roth IRA? So for starters, let's talk about what is a Roth IRA, because there could be many people watching right now who really don't have an idea of what a Roth IRA is. Basically, a Roth IRA is an individual retirement account allowing you to set aside after-tax income up to a specified amount each year. So that's money that you've been taxed on. It comes to you, it's sitting in your bank account, and you're taking that after-tax dollar and you're putting it into a Roth IRA or individual retirement account labeled as a Roth IRA. Now, one of the special features of putting money into a Roth IRA is that when you decide to take money out of that account, if it's been held for 5 years and you're over the age of 59 and a half, all of those distributions from this account will be tax-free. So who can contribute to a Roth IRA? Who can do this? Well, it's anyone who has earned income. And I've highlighted earned income because that's going to be important in this lesson today. And you also have to meet what we call the IRS guidelines of being able to make contributions to a Roth IRA. Now, we don't cover those guidelines in this particular video, but we've done many videos on it. But I would tell you that if you make too much money, then you're likely not able to directly contribute to a Roth IRA. But of course, there is a certain thing known as a backdoor Roth in which you could do, but we're not talking about that in today's video. We just want to answer the question of, can you use Social Security income to fund a Roth IRA? And I will repeat that if you're taking any distributions from a Roth IRA, those distributions can be excluded from your income. Now, the next question that you need to understand is, what is earned income? This is the critical question that you must understand. Earned income is going to be any income from wages, salaries, tips, any professional fees that you have, any bonuses that you receive, commissions, also self-employment income. The next question that's equally important is, what is not earned income? Here's what's not considered earned income. This is going to be income from your rental properties, any interest income or dividends that you may receive, any income from any pensions, annuities, IRA distributions, and of course, Social Security income. Social Security income is not considered earned income. So now let's go ahead and answer our question for today. Can you fund a Roth IRA with Social Security income? Well, the answer is yes and no. If your income is solely from Social Security, that does not count as earned income, and therefore you cannot contribute that income into a Roth IRA. But if you are working and you have earned income and you're also receiving Social Security income, then you may be able to contribute to a Roth IRA. Here's why. The IRS is not going to literally ask you which income you're using to fund said Roth IRA. So if you are working and you're also receiving Social Security income, then you can contribute to a Roth IRA. But if your only source of income is from Social Security, that is not allowed. Thank you again for tuning in to our Tuesday tips. Please note that this information is for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for an independent fiduciary advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in our description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today. And of course, as always, we would like to hear from you. Let us know what your thoughts are on this particular subject matter. Do you like Roth IRAs? Have you used a Roth IRA? Do you have questions about a Roth IRA? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this information to be beneficial, all that we ask is that you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others.